So let's take a quick look at calendar event smart chips in Google Sheets. So the fastest way to add it is by typing at and then start typing the calendar event name. And then you can select it and it will pop in just like that. And then you can quickly mouse over and see the details and go straight to it. Now, another way to add it is by right clicking, going to Smart Chips and Calendar Events. Then it takes you to a drop down with just the calendar events like that. And you can get to the same interface by clicking Insert Smart Chips and Calendar Event there. So once you've selected a calendar event, you can always delete it by clicking a cell and hitting backspace or delete. And then you can actually add more than one by double clicking the cell, hitting at again, and then you can type again or select the calendar event that you want to add there as well. So if you have more than one calendar event, to delete one of them, double click in the cell, select the one you want to delete, and then hit backspace or delete, and then you can hit enter and have it just like that. Another thing to keep in mind is you can actually extract some data from this as well. So currently the smart chip just shows as the text. So we can actually extract data from this by clicking in another cell, hitting equals, clicking back on the smart chip, period, and then you can see two options. So first of all, summary is just the title of the event, and so it's not super useful, but we can extract the URL from there as well if you need to use it in another context. And that is it for today's video. So make sure to check out the other videos on our channel for more tutorials on both Google Sheets and AppScript. And as always, have a great day.